Hello and welcome to Fat Monkey 404. Today we're doing a set from the DC Batman side. It's the Batmobile Tumbler Scarecrow Showdown. It's set number 76239, 422 pieces. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Yep, I got the big tumbler downstairs, and did I have to buy this one now? I've borrowed this from Brick Barrow. Did I have to buy it to put it next to it? Really nice, really nicely done. It's not a massive set, but yeah, it looks really good. I love the fact they put the zombie face in for the Batman, when Dr. Crane gets blasted with his own medicine. That's a really nice touch. I really do like this one. Now, it's only 422 pieces, but it does look really smart. Well, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.